So guys, today I'll be taking you to the most awaited, most crowded and the most googled destination of Bangalore nowadays. So you guessed it right. I'll be taking you to none other than IKEA. तो अगर किसी को नहीं पता है कि IKEA क्या है तो मैं बता दूं कि IKEA एक मल्टीनेशनल ग्रुप ऑफ कंपनीज है विच इज़ फाउंड इन द स्वीडन जो फर्नीचर से लेकर किचनवेयर एंड होम अप्लायंसेज सेल करते हैं. IKEA is the biggest furniture company in the world और ये बहुत अफोर्डेबल प्राइसेस में हाउस होल्ड आइटम्स को सेल करते हैं. तो मैं आपको बता दूं कि I always travel with both of my kids, so I prefer to visit the places where kids भी enjoy कर लें. So as we entered the IKEA ambience, we found a play area जहाँ you can make your kids play for 45 minutes and that without any charges. And they really took good safety measures. Meanwhile, you can do the shopping and the moment your 45 minutes are over, they will make the announcement for you to pick up your kid back. As I told you guys कि IKEA is famous for the trendy, stylish and affordable furniture. तो यहाँ पे आपको हर टाइप का फर्नीचर देखने को मिलेगा. They have made different sections to present the different rooms. You can see how innovatively they have created the look. I'm truly in love with these chairs. Just have a look how uniquely they are designed. So if I give you my honest reviews, no doubt the furniture looks very trendy and classy, but it doesn't look very durable. The sample kitchens are also very amazingly designed. So 45 minutes are over and we went to pick our kids back and lunch time भी हो गया था. And मैं आपको बता दूं कि IKEA की अपनी एक बहुत ही amazing and hygienic kitchen है जहाँ पे you get a variety of food to eat. Let's take you to the dining area of the IKEA. यहाँ food लेने के लिए you will get your individual food card and then you have to select the food. Rates are already mentioned on the food stuff. Once you will take your food and the billing is to be done before you enter the dining hall of the IKEA kitchen. This is where you can sit and enjoy your food. There is a cute corner for the kids to play in the dining area as well. So while enjoying your food, you can enjoy the view of the metro. There is a very good option for the coffee lovers in the IKEA kitchen. They are serving up with the unlimited coffee and the soft drink. So आपका जितना मन हो आप उतनी कॉफ़ी पी सकते हो. इतनी डिफरेंट और यूनिक वेराइटीज़ ऑफ द मिरर आपको पूरे बैंगलोर में कहीं नहीं मिल पाएंगे and that too under the one roof. The bestest area which I personally like in the IKEA is this green area. They have both artificial and real plants collection. Here you will get the wide variety of the indoor and the outdoor plants as well. बिलिंग सेक्शन में बहुत ज़्यादा क्राउड था सो किड्स के साथ इतना वेट करना इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल सो देयर इज़ अ सेपरेट सेक्शन वेयर यू कैन स्कैन योर ओन स्टफ बट ओनली 15 आइटम्स आर अलाउड एंड दैट्स द रीज़न वी बॉट ओनली द 15 आइटम्स.